Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about control statement. In our programming language, compiler executes a block of code from top to bottom. The statements in the code executed according to order. The Java provides us statements to control the flow of program. In this control statement, there are three types of statements. First is a decision making statement. In this decision making statement, there are two subtypes. First is the if statement. Second is a switch statement. Second type is loop statements. In these loop statements, there are four types. First is a for loop. Second is for each loop. Third is do while loop. Four is while loop. And third type is jump statement. First is a break statement. Second is a continue statement. So now we are going to start. Let's start with first statement. That is a decision making statement. In this decision making statements, decide the condition. Which condition do you want to execute and when? In this decision making statement, there are two subtypes. First is a if statement. Second is a else statement. In previous video, we have covered if statement introduction. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about syntax of if statement and switch statement. First is a if statement. If statement syntax is if in bracket condition, then open curly bracket, then code. That is a syntax of a if statement. And second is switch. In this switch statement, there are a multiple block of codes. In this switch statement, there are two statements. That is a default, and second is a break statement. In this default statement, all conditions does not match with value, then default condition will be executed. And second, break statement. Break statement is a break the control of the flow of program. That is a break statement. Now we are going to discuss about loop statements. Loop statement is a easy use. If you want to execute code repeatedly, then you use loop statements. In this loop statement, there are four types. First is a for loop. Second is a while loop. Third is a do while loop. Four is a for each loop. फॉर लूप में कैसा होता है, जब आपको पता है कहाँ तक लूप जाने वाला है, देन वी यूज अ फॉर लूप. सेकेंड इज अ व्हाइल लूप. जब आपको पता नहीं है आप लूप कहाँ तक जाने वाला है, दैट टाइम वी यूज अ व्हाइल लूप. थर्ड इज अ डू व्हाइल लूप. डू व्हाइल लूप में कैसा होता है, फर्स्ट कंडीशन एग्जीक्यूट होती है, देन फर्स्ट कोड एग्जीक्यूट होता है, देन कंडीशन चेक होती है. दैट इज डू while loop. These all about loop statements. Third is the jump statements. In this jump statement, first program transfer to the another program, that is called the jump statement. In the jump statement, there are two types. First type is break statement, and second type is a continue statement. Break statement is a break the control of the flow of program. In this break statement we use inside the loop and switch statement. That is a break statement. In continue statement skips the part and go to the next iteration immediately. That is a continue statement. So in this video we have discussed three statements. First is a decision making statement. Second is loop statement. Third is a jump statements. Thank you.